This is Mateo with Weld. I'm the repair tech here. So now we got the MP140T. It's not a dual voltage, it's only 120, 140 amps. Welds up to 3/16. Everything it comes with is right here. Comes with your electrical cable and clamp, a regulator, your gas hose, your ground clamp, and your MIG gun. It is spool gun ready. It doesn't come with a spool gun, but you can do a spool gun. We have the 110 outlet here. So you just plug that in, just right here on the back. Then just your regular on and off switch with your gas input here. So we're gonna go ahead and power this baby on. So this is your amperage / wire feed speed. And then this is your voltage display. It's not going to read right now because it's on stick TIG. There is 3 different modes to this. So you have your spool gun and see how it changes. Amperage, voltage. We're going to set up for MIG. So you got to switch your switch. So it's on spool gun right now. If you just do it 1, it's on stick TIG. All the way down is MIG. It is a DC machine. So if you're doing TIG, it's reverse polarity, meaning your torch would be in your negative, your ground clamp would be in your positive. So we're doing MIG, so we're going to set it up for MIG. This would go in your positive. Okay, your torch goes in like that. There's a wing nut on the inside. Plug it all in, tighten it. Okay. Then your 5-pin. So you'll see there's a 5-pin adapter down here. Spin it until it clicks. It's in there. So we're using 30 wire. So we want to check our drive roll here. It's on 23. 30. And then there's a groove. You just gotta match up. Put your cover back on. Each machine comes with its own spool hub assembly and extra tips. Attach her on there. You want it to feed through the bottom. Put your cover on, spring. Okay. Feed it through here. Lock that in place. That should move freely. Power in the back. Turn the power switch on. Turn this up a bit since we're feeding. So now you're feeding wire through. Takes a second to feed it all the way through the gun. Feed it through here. Put your nozzle back on. Okay, so now you have your wire feeding through your gun. Connect your ground cable there. So now we're going to set up the gas connection here. So you got your regulator here. Just go ahead and tighten it into this guy here. Then your gas hose. One end in here. And the other end, there's gas input on the back side. Just take for the brand new machines, you take your cover off. Then you just open her up and you get your gas flow. To unspool your wire, pull that back. Make sure you don't have if your wire's sticking out, make sure you don't have a weld splatter at the end or else it won't feed through. You just kind of reel it back in. You want to keep your hand there so you don't lose your wire and it all in the spools. There it is, catch it. Pull that off. And feed it through your hole. trim pitch that. So yep, that's how you take your wire off.